What if you could stay in a 5-star Lisbon hotel with free wine, complimentary massages, and a view of a 14th century wall for less than the price of a fancy dinner? You might not believe it's possible, but stick around for our number 1 pick. You've seen the photos, you've heard the stories. Lisbon is calling your name. But let's be real, finding a fantastic hotel that won't completely drain your travel fund can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where we come in. We're Love Hard Travel Harder. And on this channel, we do the heavy lifting so you can make your travel dreams a reality. We've handpicked this list of 10 best budget hotels in Lisbon, Portugal, after analyzing thousands of traveler reviews across the top booking sites, so you're only seeing the hotels that are genuinely worth it. These are smart, stylish, and perfectly located home bases for your Portuguese travel adventure. So stick around, because our number 1 pick is a hotel experience you won't believe. Let's dive in. Number 10, Hotel Roma. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is Hotel Roma, a fantastic and reliable choice for travelers who value convenience and a great price. With rooms often found between $70 and $90 a night, it's a total steal. It's located in the Aveiro district, which puts you on a direct metro line from Lisbon Airport. You can get from baggage claim to your hotel room in about 20 minutes, a massive stress saver. While you're not in the historic center, you're right next to the Roma metro station, which can zip you downtown to the main sites like Rossio Square in just a few minutes. After digging through countless reviews, it's clear what guests love most: the unbeatable value and the included breakfast that many rates offer. The pros include clean, comfortable rooms and incredibly friendly staff. As a minor con, some say the rooms are on the compact side, but that's common for a European trip. For a solid family-friendly hotel with amazing transport links, Hotel Roma is a smart budget pick to start your Lisbon adventure. Number 9, Hotel Gat Rossio. Coming in at number 9 is Hotel Gat Rossio, averaging between $75 and $95 a night. If your top priority is being so close to the action you can almost taste it, this is your spot. Its location is perfect, literally a 2-minute walk from the Rossio metro and train station, putting landmarks like São Jorge Castle and the Baixa shopping district right on your doorstep. Getting here from the airport is also a breeze, as the Aerobus shuttle stops just a few yards away. We scanned dozens of traveler reviews, and across the board, people raved about the staff, calling them incredibly helpful and friendly. The pros are its prime location, the clean rooms, and the comfortable beds. The main con to keep in mind is that this historic building doesn't have an elevator, so if you've got heavy bags, be sure to request a lower floor. It's an ideal choice for first-timers who want to spend less time commuting and more time exploring the best of Lisbon. Number 8, My Story Hotel Rossio. At number 8, we have My Story Hotel Rossio, which takes that unbeatable central location and adds a serious dash of boutique style. Also in the Rossio area and just a 2-minute walk from the metro, its location is a 10 on 10 for convenience. With an average price of $80 to $100 a night, this hotel often feels much more luxurious than it is. You can wake up, step outside, and be immediately swept into the energy of Lisbon, with the Chiado neighborhood and Avenida de Liberdade just a stroll away. We checked the reviews, and here's what guests loved most: the stylish, modern rooms and the incredible location. The pros are definitely the design, the cleanliness, and the amazing staff who get constant praise. A minor con is that breakfast isn't always included in the base rate, but it's available as a great value add-on that many guests recommend. For any traveler who wants both convenience and character, this is a fantastic choice for your Lisbon stay. Number 7, Hotel Florescente. Our number 7 pick, Hotel Florescente, is another gem proving you don't need a huge budget for a prime spot in Lisbon. Tucked away in the Baixa neighborhood, it's just a short walk from Rossio Square, putting you at the heart of all the main sites. Averaging between $70 and $90 per night, it's a true champion of value for money. A quick 5-minute stroll gets you to the Rossio metro, and from there, the entire city is yours. We look through the reviews, and what guests love most is the consistency. The staff is known for being incredibly friendly. The hotel is spotless, and many rates include a solid breakfast to kickstart your day of sightseeing. The pros are the unbeatable central location, the cleanliness, and the warm service. On the flip side, some street noise can be part of the deal for being so central, and rooms are on the cozy side. It's a straightforward, no-fuss option for travelers who plan to be out all day and just need a comfortable, safe place to crash. Number 6. Holiday Inn Express Lisbon, Avenue Liberdade. Breaking into our list at number 6 is a name you'll probably recognize. The Holiday Inn Express on Avenida de Liberdade, averaging about $80 to $100 a night. This hotel delivers reliability, modern comforts, and a surprisingly great price for its location on Lisbon's version of the Champs-Élysées. It's just a 5-minute walk to the Marquês de Pombal metro station, giving you easy access to the whole city. Nearby, you'll find high-end shops along the avenue, and it's a pleasant walk to the historic Baixa and Chiado districts. We checked the reviews, and the famous Holiday Inn Express complimentary breakfast is a massive highlight for travelers. The pros are the modern clean rooms, that free breakfast, and the peace of mind that comes with a trusted global brand. A minor con is that you might have a slightly longer walk to some of the older attractions, but we're only talking a few extra minutes. For a reliable, modern stay, this is one of the best hotels in a beautiful part of the city. Alright, we're halfway through our list. If you're finding these Lisbon hotel tips helpful, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. We post new travel guides every week to help you travel smarter. Now, let's get into our top 5. Number 5. Ibis Lisboa José Malhoa. Our number 5 spot goes to the Ibis Lisboa José Malhoa, a strategic pick for savvy travelers. For an average of $70 to $90 a night, you get the clean, modern, and efficient design the Ibis brand is famous for. Instead of the historic center, this hotel is in the Campolide area, just a 10-minute walk to the Praça de Espanha metro station and a quick 15-minute trip to the airport. This makes it incredibly convenient for arrival and departure. We've checked the traveler reviews, and what guests love most is the incredible value. The main pros are escaping the tourist crowds at night and enjoying modern comforts. The minor con is that it's not right in the historic center, but as many reviewers noted, the metro is affordable and makes exploring the city easy. This is one of the best cheap hotels in Lisbon for travelers who want to save money on their room and spend it on experiences, like trying all the best food in the city. Number 4. Hotel Lisboa Plaza, Lisbon Heritage Collection. At number 4, the Hotel Lisboa Plaza offers something special for $80 to $100 a night. Located on the beautiful Avenida de Liberdade, you're a 3-minute walk from the Avenida metro station. Based on guest reviews, the highlights are legendary. Besides a breakfast called one of the best ever, the hotel provides free coffee and fruit 24/7. The real kicker is the free port wine offered around 5 p.m. The pros are these incredible freebies, classic charm, and a fantastic location. The only minor con is that some rooms are small. For heritage charm with amazing perks, the Hotel Lisboa Plaza is an absolute winner, especially for couples. Number 3. Hotel 1908. Our number 3 pick is for the traveler who craves character and style. Welcome to Hotel 1908. With prices often ranging from $80 to $120 a night, you are getting so much for your money. Set in a stunning award-winning Art Nouveau building in the trendy Intendant neighborhood, this hotel is a work of art. You're a pleasant 15-minute walk from the main tourist hub and just a 2-minute walk from the Intendant metro station, making it easy to explore Alfama or find Lisbon's best food. We've checked the reviews, and here's what guests adore: the unique vibe. The hotel is decorated with works by local artists, giving it an authentic Lisbon feel that's truly memorable. The pros are its incredible design, comfortable beds, and fantastic breakfast. As for cons, Keep in mind this is a historic building, and some rooms maintain that cozy European feel. If you want a hotel that's as unforgettable as the city itself, this is where you should book. Number 2. Jupiter Lisboa Hotel, Rooftop and Spa. Coming in at number 2 is our luxury on a budget pick, the Jupiter Lisboa Hotel. Prices start around $90 to $120, and what you get is unbelievable. Located near Campo Pequeño, it steps from a metro station. The main event is the stunning rooftop pool and bar, perfect for a dip with panoramic city views after a day of exploring. Guest reviews consistently rave about the amenities. The pros are the rooftop pool, an on-site spa, a gym, and one of the best hotel breakfasts in the city. The only con is not being in the old town, but the nearby metro makes getting around a breeze. It's perfect for a romantic getaway or anyone wanting resort-style relaxation at an incredible value. Number 1. Corpo Santo Lisbon Historical Hotel. And now for our number 1 pick, the Corpo Santo Lisbon Historical Hotel. It's more than a hotel. It's an exercise in generosity. Located in the Baixa city center, a 5-minute walk to the Cais do Soter metro, prices can start around $100 to $130. What you get is staggering. According to reviews, the list of free perks is endless. A fantastic breakfast, free-flowing wine and canapes, complimentary snacks all day, and even a free 20-minute massage. The pros are these unbelievable perks, incredible service, and unique historical details like a 14th century wall in the lobby. We couldn't find any cons. It delivers an experience that goes far beyond its price tag, making it our undisputed champion. So, there you have it, our top 10 budget-friendly hotels in Lisbon, perfect for anyone visiting Portugal, especially couples and first-timers. We hope this guide helps you plan that dream trip and saves you some serious time and money. Every hotel featured here was chosen based on real traveler ratings and verified reviews. No sponsored picks here. We've added booking links for all these hotels in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and more photos. Which one would you pick for your Lisbon trip? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching Love Hard Travel Harder, where we make budget travel smarter. Subscribe for more curated stays and travel ideas every single week.